This is a 4-foot high by 450 feet long, double closed ended dam. He's actually got the dam on a little cart that he made just to hold the dam so he can get it around.
Does it look like an alignment?
Yeah, that looks good to me.
Rolled out, we can tweak.
That looks, yeah, it'll be easy to tweak.
Okay.
So this unroll.
Okay, hold on.
Well, this isn't really helping us either, is it? Getting too far.
Just roll it a little bit that direction.
You want to pull it back? Plastic. I don't need plastic.
We're going to reposition it now that it's been unrolled.
Plastic feels like it's really in.
Right about there.
Yeah, back a little bit like this. Yeah, okay.
How's that, Craig?
Now, Craig, get it right up on that tree.
Right here.
Oh, and it's facing the other one on the other side. We like that. Now, you got an air blower in there? You got an air blower. You got an air? No, just an air blower. Leaf blower. Leaf blower.
Plastic in there. I don't feel it.
Now we're blowing the AquaDam up with air with leaf blowers to position the two inside tubes. Make sure they're positioned right where we want them to, side by side.
I built that up.
Well, right.
That's all built up like
Right. I was going to say, I think that gave you a lot.
Now the AquaDam is a lot fuller of air, and we've determined that the tubes are exactly where they're supposed to be. We did not need to blow it up, but we did anyway. So it's almost completely full of air, and everything looks just fine. Here's the end of the AquaDam. Here's the start where the blowers are working. Two little leaf blowers did this. This is going to be a 4-foot high dam. When you blow them up with air, they get higher than they will with water. It's about 6 feet high right now. Now we've let the air out, and we're going to make a double closed-ended dam. These fill tubes are going to come up through these two holes right here. First, we're going to put our discharge hoses in. Here's one hose, and we need one more hose for this side. Whoops.
Hold it. This, oh, that's it. Okay. Here. That it?
Yes, right there.
You probably pull that white tube over.
What's that?
That white tube?
No, it's...
There. There, you're to the zipper.
Is that it?
You're to the zipper. One more pull. Put 3 more feet.
2 more feet.
That's 2 feet. How is it?
Walking the air out.
You never get out of it, Richard.
Maybe a marketing ticket.
Get it from LLB, they always warranty stuff forever.
Alright.
Now the AquaDam is sealed all the way across the bottom. And pizza, I think it's T-bone or something along that line. Now we put an attachment collar from here into the AquaDam fill tubes. Okay, we need to pull her back this way. Yeah. Yeah, that way. Yeah. Okay, that's it now. I don't think it's, we got to pull too much more.
You guys are sure lucky kids. Get to grow up with the AquaDam every spring.
They won't know any different.
There you go.
We have Jason's house. He has a 4-foot high AquaDam. He just filled his last night. This is the front of the house, facing the river. All of these black pipe are so that rainwater can run to the outside of the AquaDam. Very elaborate system, very well prepared. Each black pipe is supported by a 2x4. So the water will run off the house and to the right side of the AquaDam. Otherwise, it would just run on the ground and the sump pumps would have to pick it up. Very good job.
Here's an Associated Press exclusive out of Washington. U.S. official now says Muammar Gaddafi appeals to Obama in a letter to halt the NATO campaign. We will get the latest from CBS in just a moment here on KFGO.
Here's Jason's walkway. It's got sandbags down here to weight it down so it doesn't float away. This is the 50-foot long segment that he installed last, so he can take it down first and then leave the rest up to make sure there isn't a second crest. Sure, go ahead.